We are really happy that we've won the European Championship, as it was a really tight event. We had really difficult conditions all the time, really light winds and very shifty and a lot of current now and then. And we are really happy because we made our way through all the shifty winds and against all the very, very good competitors. And yeah, my crew just did an amazing job in going and making the boat really fast and just sailing and good tactics, and it's been just great to be here because the organization was just awesome, and for what conditions we had, it was just amazing how many races we could make it. And yeah, it's just been great to be here in Middelfart in Denmark and sail this European Championship, especially because the boys were here.
We're in Middelfart, Denmark, doing the European Championship, and just won the European Championship. That was really great. We had a fantastic week here. It was strong competition, good organizing, very tricky conditions that made us teams work really, really hard to perform our best. Well, finally we're as a winner here, and we're really happy about that and hope that we can come back in the future.